Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your high RAM usage in Windows 10. So first of all, before doing any other steps, go to the settings and go to update and check for your Windows update. This is the first step. If your Windows is not up to date, update it. After updating your Windows, go and check your RAM usage is fixed or not. If this method is not worked out, now follow me. Go to the start menu and type regedit. And you will see registry editor. Go to this. Now go to HK local machine, system, control set 001, service, then NDU. Now click on this start, double click and set this value to 4. Look at this 4. Then click OK. If Windows Update did not fix your high RAM usage, then apply this regedit thing. If this also doesn't work, apply the last one setting. Go to the start menu and type services. Go to the services and type super fetch. You will see a super fetch. Double click on that super fetch. Then click disable and stop. Then apply OK. And that will fix your high RAM usage. This was the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.